Hello friends, today we'll try to explain the features and working of ZigBee wireless technology. This video is prepared by Mr. Satvik Singh, Mr. Akshay Busare, Mr. Prateek Pednekar, under the guidance of Professor Saurabh Mehta, Faculty, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. This video was a part of the curriculum of the subject Wireless Networks, Mumbai University. It was also prepared keeping in mind its future consideration for Akash tablet contest. Now let us begin the tutorial. What is ZigBee? ZigBee is an ad hoc networking technology for LRWPAN. It is based on IEEE 802.15.4 standard that defines the physical and the MAC layers. ZigBee is created by ZigBee Alliance. ZigBee Alliance is an association of companies working together to enable cost-effective, low-power, wireless network monitoring and control products based on open global standard. The ZigBee technology provides data rates of 250 kbps for 2.45 GHz, 40 kbps for 915 MHz, and 20 kbps for 868 MHz band. Why is ZigBee needed? This technology is low-cost, low-power, wireless mesh networking. The low cost allows the technology to be widely deployed in wireless control and monitoring applications. Low power usage allows longer life with small batteries. Mesh networking provides high reliability and more extensive range. It is more simpler and less expensive than other WPANs such as Bluetooth. Wireless systems don't require high data rate, but they need low cost and very low current drain. Features of ZigBee. It requires low power consumption with excellent battery life ranging from months to years. It uses 64-bit address to address the networking devices. It allows maximum data rates for different frequency band. It provides network flexibility. The ZigBee modules are small in size. ZigBee general characteristics. It provides data rate of 220 kbps to 250 kbps. It has high throughput and low latency for low duty cycle applications that are nearly 0.1%. A single ZigBee network can support up to 65,536 network nodes. It also supports full mesh networking. The ZigBee wireless technology has 27 license-free channels which are assigned to the ZigBee standard. These channels are distributed into three bands: 868.3 MHz, 902 to 928 MHz, and 2.4 to 2.835 GHz, with a channel width of 2 MHz, 2 MHz, and 5 MHz respectively. ZigBee network architecture. It consists of a single ZigBee coordinator and has multiple routers and end devices. Role of IEEE 802.15.4 in ZigBee networking. The IEEE 802.15.4 standard develops the MAC layer and the physical layer, which addresses the frequency and data rate specification. The physical layer supports two types of devices: full functional device, reduced functional device. ZigBee Alliance develops the network layer and the application layer, which includes the application support sublayer and the security services. The network layer and the application layer are meant to set up a ZigBee network and relate the devices in the network to one another. The ZigBee architecture. The ZigBee networking has layered architecture. These layers facilitate the following features that make ZigBee very attractive: low cost, easy implementation, reliable data transfer, short range operations, very low power consumption, adequate security features. ZigBee device types. There are three different devices types that operate on layers in any self-organization application network: ZigBee coordinator node, full function device FFD, reduced function device RFD. The ZigBee coordinator node. It is an important device of ZigBee technology which forms the base or ground of the network tree and also builds link to other network. There is only one coordinator node in one network. It stores information about the network and is responsible for security keys. It is denoted by ZC. The full function device. The full function device, that is the FFD, acts as an intermediate repeater that passes data from one device to another. It requires less memory, it has less manufacturing cost, and operates on all network topologies. The reduced function device. The reduced function device, that is the RFD, contains enough functions to talk to the parent node as compared to the coordinator node and the router. It cannot relay data from other devices. It requires less memory. It is cheaper as compared to the ZigBee coordinator node and the FFD. Device addressing. ZigBee addresses its device and nodes using a unique optimized 64-bit address. It has a 16-bit network address which enables it to address 65,536 network devices. It has 256 sub-addresses for subunits. ZigBee has the following addressing modes: network plus device identifier and star, source destination identifier and peer-to-peer, source destination cluster tree plus device identifier in the cluster topology. ZigBee mesh networking. This shows how a ZigBee mesh network properly works. Depending upon the application requirement, WPAN network may operate in three topologies. The three different topologies are the star topology, the cluster tree topology, and the mesh topology. The topologies include network coordinator, routers, and devices. The star topology. In star topology, the communication is established between several end devices and a single network coordinator. The advantages are easy to synchronize, low latency. Disadvantage is small scale. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, the communication is established between the end devices and the network coordinator, as well as between the several end devices, as long as they are in the range of communication. Advantages: robust multi-hop communication, network is more flexible, low latency. Disadvantages: route discovery is costly, need storage for routing table. Cluster tree. Cluster tree is basically a complex form of mesh topology. Advantages: low cost routing, allows multi-hop communication. Disadvantages: route reconstruction is costly, latency may be quite long. Here we compare the features of ZigBee with wireless networks such as Bluetooth, UWB, 2G, 2.5G, 3G. Application sectors. ZigBee has various applications. It is widely used in monitors, sensors, automation control, consumer electronics, industrial and commercial applications, personal health care, home automation, security, lighting, closures, PC and peripherals, etc. The aligned members are Philips, NEC Electronics Corporation, Siemens, Atmel, Samsung, SPON, LG, Mitsubishi Electric, Texas Instruments, and many more. Conclusion. ZigBee will play a vital role in the mass adoption of cost-effective, low-power mesh networking technology for monitoring and control applications based on an open global standard. Near future, more flexibility and cost savings for consumers and greater control over household appliances, used for campus-wide electrical and security systems from a single computer. References. Thank you.